On this episode of Doorbell Mania.
No, I'm not interested.
Got you. How much is your electric bill?
What are you doing? This is my house. What are you doing?
I'm looking for glasses.
No, you're not.
I'm a neighborhood watch around here. I got somebody trying to come and take that package. Sir?
Sir, put my package back, please.
You gotta get away from my porch,
Can you
dude.
please put my... I'm calling the cops right now.
Bronx, New York. This dude comes to this woman's house and checks to see if her door is open and becomes insistent to talk to her about solar panels and electric bills. The lady says she's had several different guys coming to her house with the same spiel. Is he legit? Is he scamming? I don't know. But what I do know, he needs to kick rocks. Respectfully.
Yes, how can I help you?
Yeah, I'm in the neighborhood helping your neighbors save money on electricity with solar panels.
Thank you. I said no. What
Really?
no?
You know you get paid to get them?
No, I'm not interested. No, I'm not interested.
Got you. How much is your electric bill? How was your day?
How much is my electric bill? How's my day? Kick rocks, pal. Yonkers, New York. This random guy literally walks, stops, looks at the camera, and still walks in this person's, a stranger's backyard. What's up with this guy? Originally, the homeowner was watching her camera and made sure that guy could kick rocks in time.
How can I help you? How can I help you? Hello?
This is real suspect if you ask me. He doesn't respond to her question. Bronx, New York. This scumbag decides to take all of this person's mail, not just the junk mail, not just the bills, everything. And then he also has the nerve to stop right in front of their porch to put the things in his bag.
Are you taking the mail? The police is coming for you.
Staten Island, New York. This crazy neighbor is seen in broad daylight cussing out her neighbor's kids while they're walking their dog, allegedly saying they're attempting to kill her by pointing a gun and shooting her. What the heck is she speaking about?
Supreme, what's the problem? What's going on? Okay, well, as long as it's just put you to...
Don't point no gun at me, son!
Put a gun?
No gun at me! You point at me like you shooting me?
Brooklyn, New York. On the way home in broad daylight, a man sees a prowler walking into his home, looking to take packages. He turns his camera on and decides to catch the guy in the act.
What are you doing? This is my house. What are you doing?
I'm looking for glasses.
No, you're not.
I'm not looking for
I know exactly what you're doing.
I'm not doing packages.
Get off this block now.
You want to see if I got any packages?
Get off this block. This is my house. Get off my property.
Get off my box.
I can call the police on my property.
Cool.
You're trespassing. Get off my property. Get off my property now.
I'm not
It's my
stealing.
You're not allowed
You
to
ain't
be
got no bottom.
on this property. You went
close.
straight for the boxes. You're following the postman. Cool. You got about 5 minutes because I'm kind. I'm calling the police. I'll give you some time to leave our block. I'll give you some time. As long as you don't trespass, it's all good.
Bronx, New York. A frightening scene is caught on Ring home security camera. Imagine You coming home or checking your phone and seeing this? This homeowner catches this porch pirate stealing her package.
Hey, you not gonna pack it off? What did you take from there? Package right here. I just saw you. Bring it back. Bring the package back. I just saw you take it. Thank you.
And the audacity of him to just toss it back over to her over her gate. It's some type of hot potato. Jersey City, New Jersey.
What are you doing, man?
Here's another example of a homeowner confronting the porch pirate and making sure they get their package back for Christmas or whatever holiday they celebrate. I don't know.
Can I help you? You can leave it. Yeah? What are you doing over there?
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Move away from that. I'm going home. You tricked me, huh? Yeah, I did trick. Take the box with you. Please, don't come back over here. Be careful. Alright? We got cameras there, man. I got you on camera now. Don't put your phone all over the place. Alright? I love you like that. Yeah, love. We love you when we steal it from you, bro. I didn't steal it. You did. That's my box. Yeah. I took your box. Be my guest. I put all this shit over. Throw it down there somewhere.
Not sure what's going on in New York. It seems like these homeowners are being more proactive for the holidays. Good for them. Syracuse, New York.
Yo, put that back. Yo, put the package back.
Who's talking to?
Who are you?
What are you out for these people? You talking about?
Huh?
I'm trying to get into these people. I'm a neighborhood watch around here. I got somebody trying to come and take that package. Sir? My girl just told me that just now. See my girl right there? She said somebody was trying to take this package, a white guy with a book bag. You see a white guy walk back here?
Nah.
With a gym bag?
Nah, I've been here for a little minute.
Okay, where's the lady out here? Michelle. Yo, you gotta put that in there then. I'm a neighborhood watch around here.
Sir, put my package back, please.
You gotta get away from my porch,
Can you
dude.
please put my